going to show you how to paint flowers using watercolor, and I am using Arches cold press. This is my favorite paper. And I'm using Princeton brush called Mini Detailer and size 0 round brush. These are my favorite brushes. Before we start, I collected a strange and exotic and just flowers that look a little different and that inspires me. Okay, let's get started. I start with outlining the flower silhouette and fill up fast before the outline dries. Towards the middle, I'm going to blend using a little bit of water. And I am adding black dot in the center. And blue to give a contrast. And tiny brush to get the edge and add details around. And when the black center part is like 95% dry, I'm going to add little yellow circle to give a little bit of punch and accent. For this one, I am doing pink to yellow gradation. And I'm going to add little red dots when it's almost dry, but not completely dry. The dots bleed in with the background and create this wet patterns that I really like. And I am creating more stripes to have interesting patterns. This is one of my favorite watercolor effects. I waited until it dried completely and adding orange color in the middle. And adding more intricate patterns. And this is our 2 flowers. Moving on to the next one, I am starting with the outline in the center. And adding yellow color plus outline. I am doing wet on wet and creating some patterns while the yellow paint is still wet. And the orange color is blending well with yellow. I like building this intuitive patterns with watercolor. And you can see in the end, the yellow watercolor is completely dry, so it's not blending well. In the center, I'm doing another intricate designs using magenta. I really like how this flower is coming together, and I am adding a blue center with green and yellow gradation. This one is a little bit different. It's a lily shape, so it's a little bit longer. And I am adding red paint to add cute stripes. They're very playful and fun. It's like a candy. And I'm going to show you some cool shapes for the next 3 flowers. This green one is really cool. It has a long lace designs. It kind of looks like an alien. Flower has a slimy and smooth center, so I am leaving the white part out to show that it is shiny and smooth. Okay, so recap my process of painting the flowers. First, I start with a big shape, and you can do outline. And then add details while the paint is still wet to get the wet on wet effect, or wait until it's completely dry to add some designs. And improvise. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video and hopefully learned something. This is not like an easy flower painting. It's more like advanced and more like stylish. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like and comment.